my channel. So today, first time in Canada, I'm going to a road trip on our car, the new car. We are going to
Hilton Conservation Area.
Hilton Conservative Area. It's a waterfall or something. Let's see after going how it will be, because it is a dry season. I don't know how the leaves and all will be there. We'll see. See the road. See the road. So we are going to this waterfall, Hilton Waterfall or something it is called. After going over there, we'll see whether the trees have leaves and all that or not, because it is a winter season ke baad first time. So there is a very less chance that leaves and all those fall colors and everything will be there. But let's see how it will be over there. Parking is here only, nearby place, and we have to do some trekking. So this is the parking area, lots and lots of space. And tofu, that is muffin and anu, both together. We reached now. I think so there will be some trekking we have to do. I don't know how many kilometers it will be, but maybe at least 2 to 3 kilometers for sure. But let's see how it will be. This is the place. See, lots of parking space.
It also depends on whether you're coming in peak season, peak times.
Yeah, right now it is off season, you can say, so it's fine. One more thing, if suppose you are coming here, if you book online, the ticket cost will be $10.50 or something like that, but if you buy here, it is like $12.50 to $2 difference will be there. So it's better to prior book it and then come. And pause it here to see the map if you want. These are the guidelines which you have to do. So the Hilton Fall Hill Trail is a 3 kilometer round trip, so 1.5 at once. Red Oak Trail, oh, Red Oak trees, those are the bigger ones. Beaver Dam 8, okay. Bruce Trail 725 kilometers, who does that?
Bruce Trail, I think it goes to the Bruce Peninsula.
Okay. Biking trail is there, single trek is there, okay, fine. So we are starting now, the time is 2:30?
Yes, 2:40.
2:40. Then let's see when we'll come back and how things will be. This is the path.
You're looking for yellow duck?
Those leaves you see, the small leaves. We finished this much in 5 minutes. So over there at the maps we saw that yellow trail was for the falls, red trail was for the Red Oak, blue was for something. We are going to the yellow trail, and in between we'll see the fall and then come back to the red, so that we'll cover everything.
The yellow one is the Hilton Falls.
Hilton Falls, yeah.
Red Oak Trail is the red one.
Red oak is the red oak. I don't know what is it.
Red Oak Trail.
Red oak trees are there. The big one, maybe that will be there.
I don't know. It's called Red Oak Trail.
Ah.
The yellow one is Hilton Falls Trail.
Falls still. Where I hope water will be there.
Yeah.
Because in India, when I used to go to waterfall, there will be no water only.
Yeah. We used to go also for that particular time.
Yeah. But over here, I hope. But yeah, when the fall season will come, the leaves will be there. This will look much better. I'll come again and show what is the situation that time. Now it is no leaves. That time it will be so many leaves. But it looks nice. Whenever you come, try to bring bug spray or some kind of lotion so that these insects will be away. Hey, there is a bench in here, you can see. We did till now half a kilometer, maybe 600, 700, whatever. It is fine. There is no rush right now because this is a off season. But I think so when it will be fall or something, there will be more people. But I can see a bench desk, so if you want to take rest and then walk again. Enjoy. I think so we came to a midpoint or something. I don't know. There is a platform. Let's see what is written over there. And there is some water also. Let's see. Going. It is vernal pool. Okay. There will be some frogs or something. Okay. But this is the one. Okay, the view is nice. We almost reached to the destination. You can hear the sound of the water. You can pause it and read if you want. There is a dam and all. Okay. Okay, we can have a fire also. Means that it is not 24 hours, huh? Because it is written, attention, please help protect Hilton Falls. They are only having fire in the fire pit provided. Okay, so they have provided over here for the bonfire. You can sit, relax, enjoy, have some bonfire. Wow, nice. So we'll come little front, there is a stairs to go to the fall to see it properly. Nah, that is nice. So as I was telling, there is a fire going on. You can sit here, relax, enjoy, have some drinks if you want. Now we are going to sit over here and eat samosas.
Sit and eat samosas.
we sat here relaxing 1.5-2 kilometers maximum the trail was.
No.
And now
No.
this is the waterfall,
Samosa
this
niche
is the
hai.
bench, and this is the samosa. And muffin is also there. Now we are going to sit, enjoy and relax for some time, and again we'll go to some other place. We had our snacks over here, took a break, and now Anu is painting between the nature. And for our protection, Muffin is there to keep an eye on everything, what is happening in the surrounding. She is the guard dog.
Shivri Dada.
We're done with the painting also. We relaxed for 2 hours here.
Yes.
Now we are going back to the trail. It was awesome.
Yes, it was.
Yes, she painted. We'll show the painting little bit. Wait, I'll show you. Show the paint. See. If you wanna buy, tell me. We found a little curve, a path in that trail. And there is another waterfall, lake kind of thing. Wow. Wow.
We were over there somewhere.
Yeah. So we were standing on that particular thing when we took photo, and now we are over here. Nice. So it is almost going to be over the trail. First we started from the yellow trail and then came to this red trail, which is called Red Oak Trail, I think so, but I don't know why it is called Red Oak Trail. But I think so. Yeah, we came to the end now. This was a nice reservoir. I think so sunset will be looking awesome, but we have to go. So next time sometime we'll come again. That time we'll try to be for the sunset. Yes, this is it in this vlog. Next I'll go somewhere else and then show you. So this is the end of the trail now, and I think so overall it took 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours, but yeah, 1.5 hours something. We were just sitting and relaxing and enjoying the nature waterfall over there, and it was a nice experience. Next, wherever I will go again, I will shoot it and show you guys how things will be. So that's it in this vlog. Wait for the next one, and like, share and subscribe, because now again I started posting. I hope I will be keep posting it and regularly to show you new guys in new stuff in new country. See you again. Take care. Bye.